Alright, since Derek's here, I'm gonna teach him a little something. Click Windows, right? I click Windows. It's pretty simple. Go to Xbox app. After I go to Xbox app, after I go on Xbox app, right? Guess what I do? Guess what I do next? Guess what I do next? Oh my god. I press this. You see my mouse? You see my mouse? After you see my mouse, I press that. And then I press Xbox. And watch how the display. And then, bitches, you gonna hurt. You gotta wait for the jet to like pan past the screen type shit. Oh, I know why. Oh my god, what was that noise? You see the jet flew past, right? Now the shit's black. Because, you know, here's the thing with black people. Guess what we're gonna have to do? We'll have to restart the app. But plans do have deviations, you feel me? Now, as we restart this app, I want you... Bitch. Oh my god! Now, we're just gonna close the window, quit the whole app, and you know, quitting the app is fine, you know. See, the issue with life is, okay. You'll work it out eventually. Bro, shut your ass. Look. I didn't even press it. I'm gonna have a fucking stroke. Oh, it worked. Then, boom. Now the display's showing. Now we're gonna do an audio syncing test. Go. Oh. Go. Go. Hi guys. Today we're gonna be playing The Evil Within because like I play that and it's fun. Actually, I've never even seen gameplay. I've barely seen gameplay. Like dead ass. Like let's get to playing this because you know the game's good and stuff. Yeah, let's start a new game. Oh hell no, I'm not playing that shit. I bet we'll play on Nightmare because I'm him. Oh shit, straight into the gameplay. Oh, this nigga move like a... What the fuck? This nigga move like Kyle Crane. I'm still kind of traumatized from Resident Evil, guys. I'm sorry. Why is he entering a burning building?
Lily, I'm here. Where are you?
Oh, that's why.
Oh god, shit. I'm coming, Lily.
Oh my god! Come on, nigga. What the fuck are you stopping randomly for? Is that gonna be an issue?
Lily? Come on out.
Oh, he's ugly, yo. Damn. Baby!
Lily! No!
You didn't save me!
Wait. Oh, this nigga dead. Damn. Oh, shit. So, like, did his daughter die in a crash or something? Like, oh my god, why is his head doing... Oh. Where the fuck is he? Oh, who this?
Kidman?
Hello, Sebastian. It's been a long time.
3 years. I've been trying to track you down for 3 years.
And you thought
Okay.
you'd find me at the bottom of an empty bottle. Is that it?
Interesting story so far. Mobius has some big ass glasses. Why did it just zoom into...
Where did you get this?
Lily's still alive.
Lily is dead. I read the police report. I was at her funeral.
We can rewrite history if we want to. Staging a death is child's play.
Got you,
Save
Lily.
her. What have you done to her?
Oh my goodness.
Get your hands off me.
Oh. Oh. Shoot the nigga down. I don't even know what to say. They just tranquilized the nigga like he was a bear or something. Enough of this bullshit.
Lily?
Patience.
Where's Lily?
All your answers are right here.
Yeah, they're definitely right there.
You connected Lily to that machine?
Your daughter is quite special. The most stable core candidate we've ever tested.
Oh, they gonna turn her ass into
Thanks to her,
a cheeseburger.
you can save her or let her die.
She's dead.
It's your choice.
He gives us a game choice. What the fuck is he doing in a bathtub? I don't even know what the hell a bathtub is. I don't even know how I got that. Like,
Are you ready?
yes, I'm ready, bitch! Bro thinks I'm not ready to save my daughter. Oh
Dam
gosh.
entry in 3, 2, 1.
He's in a simulation where you have to take baths. No! God damn, you're walking really slow. Like, Jesus Christ, just go. I'm really ready to skip this shit. Oh shit, we can sprint. Oh yeah, we're gonna save her again. Give me a few minutes, it's so fucking far. Oh.
No.
That is a shitty picture, I'm not even gonna lie.
They would have killed me.
I'm not sure I believe you.
Why would I lie about that?
To manipulate me. To get me to perform like a good little soldier. You've lied to me before. Our whole friendship was built on a lie.
Okay, I get it. And I don't blame you for feeling that way.
You'll never know how I feel.
I never had a family, just two people.
Better to have...
Oh my god! Why do they talk so much? Why? What the fuck is on the ground? Ah! This game has a worst fucking filler plot in the world. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Oh shit. It's a dog.
Oh no.
Lily, what's wrong?
I like this story. Okay. I'm so sorry for skipping the cutscene.
My doll's head is broke.
Fucking
It's
idiot.
okay. Mom can fix it for you. She can fix anything.
Why does she just smile so fucking hard? Throws the doll at her. Mom! Gosh, you're so close.
You've been working too hard. It's making you delirious.
Oh. Oh gosh. Door! Fuck do I do now? Is it fucking Super Mario 64? Do I go through the picture? What? Am I tweaking or tripping? Damn! Oh my god, look at his head! Oh my god, what did they shoot him with? They threw a fucking air fryer at his head. Oh shit. Who the fuck seen that? Like, let me take a pic. Bro just stuck in that same loop. Imagine dying and being stuck in the same loop where you died. This old ass phone. Damn!
Hello?
Skipper speaking here. Alright, I'm gonna turn the sensitivity up just a bit. I'm sorry, it's kind of irritating, not even gonna lie. And it's still slow as shit! Who made this? My grandma? Oh shit. Why are you standing there? Oh, what up? Ooh, hell no. You look like, nigga from Bring Me the Horizon. Oh shit. Shit. Ah! Oh no. Also, that's the sadist. You just like killing niggas and freezing them in time. What do you gain from that? Oh! Oh my fuck! I look goofy as shit. I got a question though. Why is my... What the f... Oh my god! What the fuck? Yeah.
Shit. I'm trapped in here.
No, you're not. Game plot. Oh shit.
Or maybe not.
Oh really? Super cool fly. Ah.
Well, I don't hear it.
sprint, my nigga! What the fuck? Yeah. Bro, I could have recorded Resident Evil Part 2. I'm gonna be honest.
Where were you when I needed you? What did I get myself into?
I don't know, man, but you're going so slow, it's pissing me off. The nigga's dead. I got 6 bullets. It's over. I could finish the game with these bullets.
Hello?
Gotta eat. Skin and bones.
My mother used to feed me that all the time. I used to look exactly like him when I was eating that.
I said eat!
My mom used to feed me like that all the time. Is it good, son?
What the?
Oh, she's so beautiful. Bro. Bro's a trained officer. That was tight. But you did waste like 4 or 5 bullets. Ah, damn it! Ah! Did you just dig in her ass? Oh, bruh, I've seen what y'all was eating here. I just want to say that was a good meal. I see the meatballs, I see the turkey. And I see the... I don't even want to decipher what the fuck that is. Oh! Oh no! Ah! Oh! A hug! Is this WA in chat? Come on, boy. What? Ah! Yeah, stay in that house, my nigga. Oh, them niggas dead.
Well, I'm a little bitch.
I'm not defenseless at all. Oh, Bush is our hiding spot. Fortnite! Uh-huh.
Let me shut something straight right.
I pick up this bottle, right? Then I throw it. After I manually take it out in the fucking inventory. Motherfucker, go over there. What are you doing? Oh my, you fucking idiot!
What about that?
I slice my enemies! Okay,
I empower that. Say, watch out my mood switch. I'ma put you through hell for a month straight for making me beg for you, bitch. I'll act all clueless, like who robbed you, man. Look at the smile on my face when you ask how I just bought these shoes, man.